All right, so today we have the WINNERWELL Woodlander double view large size canvas tent camp stove. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. Now, I have a Kodiak canvas tent. I bought it in January. I haven't put it up yet. It's been too hot. But winter's coming and needed a stove. So this is the one I ordered. Now, it says right here, do not use a cutter for unpacking. So I won't use a cutter. Oh, I see. Interesting. I think they meant for you to use these. There's your stove grate. I've never seen one of these in person. I did a lot of research online before I had decided on a stove. I tell you, it's considerably nicer than what I had anticipated. Fit there. Well, there it is. Yeah, that's pretty nice. All right. The one thing about the WINNERWELL Woodlander stove is that it's a little more decorative, you know, with their nice little twisted metal handles. Really, the pictures and videos that I did find online, it was easy to question the thickness of the metal. You know, you might kind of assume that it's rather flimsy, but it's not flimsy at all, as you can see. So Yeah, I'm initially really impressed with the stove. It's a lot more sturdy. One of the things that I did worry about, I was going to get the Nomad at first. That's the one I was looking at first, the Nomad large size double view stove. But it has 4 legs, and I noticed that the firebox dimensions were 1,500 cubic inches, so they were the same size. And I wondered, you know, what's the pros and cons? I mean, what's one advantage of one over the other? So I reached out to WINNERWELL and asked them, and they said that the Woodlander with its tripod leg setup was actually a more stable stove if you were placing it on like uneven ground. The tripod leg setup made it a little more stable, so it wasn't tippy or rocky. And I'm pushing on it now. I mean, I'm pushing pretty hard to make it even start to tilt. So I have no concerns at all about this stove falling over. So let's see how our pipes are stuck in here. Looks like we have some. It does not come with a triple wall or double wall pipe, which they sell. I want to say I ordered a section, but it's not here yet. And just ordered a section. I believe it's triple wall pipe that goes through the roof. There's your little lid turner lifter thing, so it's hot. And your scraper. It's even got a curved and then a flat. So the curve actually matched the contour of the stove. That was pretty considerate. Little debris catcher. Interesting how it has those little pieces in there that So there is a little joggle here. That's how the pieces fit together. Very good quality setup. So I guess it's going to go like that. So they'll go in upside down. Like so. I am going to go ahead and take all these out because I'm going to build a fire in this thing and we're going to burn it in. Any oils or smells that are, make sure you check the inside of the pipe. It's interesting. So, this goes in here like so. Fits in there very nice. So like I said, I have the Kodiak 12 by 12 lodge tent with the vestibule on it. This pipe has a dent. That's okay. I haven't set it up yet because it's been too hot and I'm not using it right now. I have no use for it, so I haven't set it up yet. And so I don't remember the specs, and I don't know exactly how many pieces of pipe I'm gonna end up using for the stove. Like I don't actually know from here to the hole in the roof how high it is. I'm probably guessing it's about the height of my head. So I don't know exactly how many of these pieces of pipe I'm going to use. I'm getting the impression here though, and let's find out, because this grate was not in the stove whenever I took it out of the box. I'm feeling like you might not be able to get all the pieces of pipe in the stove if the grate is in there. So there's 3 pieces. Yeah. All right. It's not gonna happen. So you can't, that's the best you can get right there. So you're gonna be left, you're gonna have to trade something out. We got 4 pieces of pipe in there. So the grate has to come out in order to get it all in there. And of course, I ordered one of the triple wall sections so that where it goes through the hole in the tin, it doesn't get hot. And I know that's not gonna fit in there. It's okay. It would be really cool if it did all fit. But until I really know how many sections of pipe I'm going to be needing to carry with me. Now, even with that triple wall pipe, it's not gonna fit in there. All right, so close this down for now, and next we'll end up burning it in. So this is our unboxing. The stove weighs like 34 pounds. I noticed that these screws were loose, but they're just finger tight screws. That's not something to worry about at all. I imagine as you use the stove, it gets hot and expands and contracts, they probably will come loose regularly. Here's our little latch. I'm just gonna show everything on the stove and complete this video. Try to get nice details, because when I was looking at stoves, I didn't find all the details that I wanted.